What was your reaction when Teddy gave you the news you were going to be captain, and have you ever been a captain before?
Well, he called me a couple days ago and told me the news, and obviously it's quite the honor. I think there's a lot of guys that are captains on this team, and it was Teddy's decision, or the Blackhawks' decision, to label that. But obviously, anytime that you're recognized by that, you're kind of humbled, and I feel very fortunate. And I've been a captain, but back in the East Coast and in juniors. But like I said, I've always been the same person, and it's nice to be recognized like that.
You feel like your role has to change at all, or are you just going to keep kind of doing what you're doing in the locker room?
Yeah, I think it's kind of cliche, but you try to stay the same for sure. And our goal since day one, it'd be nice to make the playoffs and finish with home ice. I think we have to aim high, and why sell ourselves short? So I think myself and Winchester and Brookbank, Mills is coming back. There's a lot of leaders on this team. Skinner, we're all preaching the same thing, that we want to get to the playoffs and not just make it, but go pretty far.
You guys took some steps toward that goal this past weekend with a couple wins. What's going right for this team right now? Do you feel like you're heading in the right direction overall?
Absolutely. I thought even during that, where I forgot we lost like 7 or 8 in a row, a couple in overtime and a shootout. From afar you can say that we're struggling, but during those games we really improved certain areas, and I think that win against Grand Rapids got us a little bit more confidence, and then we've been playing really better, a lot better as of late, and if we bring that most nights, honestly, we're going to finish on top more times than not. So, but that's the challenge with the young team, is trying to bring that every night and every shift.
What do you think makes a good captain?
It's a good question. I think obviously where your heart's at with the team, trying to keep everybody's focus in the right spot. I know a lot of guys want to be up. Some guys are worried about getting sent down, but trying to live in the present. But like I said, it's not just myself. It's collective. You look at the best teams in the NHL. They have a lot of good leaders on every team, especially the Blackhawks. It's not just Taze and Keith. There's Seabrook and there's Hjalmarsson and Crawford. I mean, it's a collective agreement. But I think everybody on the same page and buying in can be really special.
What's your thoughts on having 2 day games for your next?
I'm excited.
Games?
You can't. Yeah, I'm excited. Get 2 points early in the day and enjoy the rest of the day. But you can't. Obviously, it's going to be a bit different. But we're really excited that we have a chance to beat a team that's above us in the standings. With Abbotsford, we know they're a good team, and we look forward to it.
I think we've been penalized for too many guys on the ice like 8 times in the last 15 games I read. Why does that happen? How do you correct that?
Well, it's attention to detail. It shouldn't happen, and obviously it's something that we highlighted, and we're going to get better at it. But there's not just one reason why we get those penalties, but I think it's it could be as much as making eye contact, coming to the bench, and just communication. That's the biggest thing. So, but we're addressing that along with a lot of other things, and we're taking baby steps. And this is the second half, and this is when you really start to see teams that are starting to gel and their systems are in place, and they're learning from their mistakes, and we're going to do that for sure.